Nay, tara, mag-chilyo ta. Welcome to another video, another tutorial for you. It's me again, Kate. But if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to get notified to my next tutorial. In this video, I will show to you how to crochet these detachable Filipiniana sleeves. It's perfect for graduation, taking, buwan ng wika, or any other occasion, and of course, for your small business. So, tara, mag-chilyo na ta. By the way, I am using Endophil yarn, 8 ply, and 2.5mm hook. Let's start with a slip knot. After your slip knot, get your hook and let's do the foundation chain, which is 31 chain. After 31 chains, let's proceed to row 1, skip the very first chain, and do half double crochet into the second chain. Yarn over. Next is insert your hook into the second chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops in your hook. Last is yarn over, pull through, and 3 loops in your hook. And that is how to make a half double crochet. Please continue putting half double crochet into the next 29 chains, and I will meet you back again. Finally, our row 1 is done, and now let's proceed to row 2 until row 20, and always start your row with chain 1, then half double crochet in every stitch. We're finally done to our row 20. Let's proceed now to our row 21 to row 28. To start our row, always chain 1. Flip your work and decrease into the very first stitch. To decrease, skip the very first stitch and half double crochet into the second stitch. After you decrease, please continue putting half double crochet into the next 26 stitches. We're done to our 26 half double crochet and you should have 2 stitches left, and we will decrease to finish this row. To decrease, skip the next stitch and half double crochet into the last stitch. Let's proceed now to our row 22. Chain 1 and decrease into your first stitch. Again, to decrease, skip the first stitch and half double crochet into the second stitch. After you decrease, continue half double crochet into the next 24 stitches. After 24 half double crochet, decrease into your last stitch. Please remember you always have 2 stitches left. For you to decrease into your last stitch in every row until row 28, skip your next stitch and half double crochet into your last stitch. We're done to our row 22. Let's proceed now to our row 23. Chain 1 and flip your work and decrease into your first stitch. Please remember how you decrease into your first stitch, which is skip the very first stitch and half double crochet into the second stitch. Please repeat the process on how you first decrease in every row until row 28. Please continue putting half double crochet into the next 22 stitch. I hope you get the pattern because the video will be skipped into the last row, which is row 28. But don't worry, I will show in the screen the pattern from row 24 to row 28. This is the last row, which is row 28. Chain 1 and please cut your yarn. And now we are done to our first part, which is the panel.